What is brain tumor? A brain tumor is a mass or growth of abnormal cell in your brain. Many different type of brain tumor exist. Some brain tumors are non-cancerous, benign, and some brain tumor are cancerous, malignant. Brain tumor can begin in your brain, primary brain tumor, or cancer can begin in other part of your body and spread to your brain. How quickly a brain tumor can grow very greatly depends on the situation. The growth rate as well as the location of your brain tumor determines how it will affect the function of your nervous system. Brain tumors treatment option depend upon the type of brain tumor you have as well as its size and location. There are more than 20 types of brain tumors. What are the symptoms of brain tumors? The sign and symptom of brain tumors vary greatly and depend on the brain tumor size, location, and growth rate. General sign and symptom include new onset or change in patterns of headaches, headaches that gradually become more frequent and more severe, unexplained nausea and vomiting, vision problems such as blurred vision, double vision, or loss of peripheral vision, gradual loss of sensation or movement in arm or leg, difficulty with balance, speech difficulties, confusion in everyday matters, personality or behavior changes, seizure especially in someone who does not have a history of seizures, hearing problems. What are the causes of brain tumor? Brain tumor that begin in the brain. Primary brain tumor originate in the brain itself or a tissue close to it, such as in the brain covering membrane, cranial nerves, pituitary gland, or pineal gland. Primary brain tumor begin when the normal cell acquire error mutation in their DNA. These mutations allow cell to grow and divide it at increased rate and to continue living with healthy when healthy cell would die. The result is a mass of abnormal cell which form a tumor. In adult, primary brain tumors are much less common than secondary brain tumors, in which cancer began elsewhere and spread to the brain. Many different types of primary brain tumor exist. Each get its name from type of cell involved. Example includes gliomas. These tumors begin in the brain or spinal cord and include astrocytomas, ependymomas, glioblastomas, oligoblastomas, and oligodendromas. Number second, meningiomas. A meningioma is a tumor that arises from membranes that surround your brain and spinal cord. Acoustic neuromas. These are the benign tumors that develop on the nerve that control balance and hearing leading from your inner ear to your brain. Pituitary adenomas. These are mostly benign tumors that develop in the pituitary glands at the base of the brain.